Alright, what up, y'all? So, part one on this job, we got some of these door projector lights going in. So, these shouldn't take long. This should just be a kind of pop out deal. So, got the old ones right here. They're on. There they go. So, this Benz light, the one that push button, usually it's like a little magnet, but this one don't have the magnet set up. But push button, so we're getting rid of these, and we're replacing this factory light with this thing. So, see if I can pop this open for you. Alright, it took a little bit, but here we go. So, these are the lights. It's gonna sit like this, either this way or I don't know which way the plug is coming on this one, but basically it's gonna be a direct replacement to this. It's gonna wire into the factory light, so no wiring, plug and play. So let me get a screwdriver and figure out how to pop this out. Alright, so pretty simple. Pops from the front to the back. So I'm not even aiming at my bad, y'all. So pries out like that, and boom. So I'm gonna need two hands because this little ribbon looks a little bit touchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this, plug in the new one, and we're gonna see what we got. Just like that, the old one is out, the new one is in. We're just gonna slide this in like so, and should be able to press up. You might need to poke this sideways to get this little piece in a little bit. So give me a second because I need two hands. I'm back, so I just had a screwdriver just poke this way to press in on this little tab and snap it in, and we are good to go. So pretty simple. Wish it was dark so you could see it, but whatever. You get the idea. But pretty simple. If you have a Benz, I think this is a ML 350. Yeah, so if you got one of these, pretty quick and easy install. So yeah, and you don't need these anymore. Nice and clean. And just a heads up, I think these can go either way. So, you know, just be mindful. This back one pried from the back to the front, and the front one pried from the front to the back. So I think it just depends on who was working that day as far as how this is set up. But if you pry it one way and it doesn't work, just pry from the other side and then you'll be good. But let me go ahead and get this other one. Yeah, that's the factory. So I believe both of these are the same. Yep. So we'll go ahead and snap this in, and yeah, like I said, that's it. So pretty simple, and I hope y'all enjoy the lights when you get them. I just wanted to show y'all that this is kind of dope and different, but this is how you go in the park. Crazy, right? Alright, what up, y'all? So I couldn't leave you without actually seeing what this looks like at night. So yeah. Not bad.